Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in a bonus video throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I had something very special. Your girl did go to the Gucci outlet here in the Atlanta area, and I did go because I was able to pick out my Valentine's Day gift, and of course I wanted to bring you all along. So with that being said, I hope y'all enjoy. I did try and film as much as I could. I wasn't able to show prices for everything, but some of the things that I was able to show prices for, I did show. So if you for some reason don't see me showing the prices because I couldn't find it, or I just didn't want to look notice, I didn't want to look like I was doing something or whatever, so I just left it alone, because a few items that I was looking for myself, I couldn't find a price, and I didn't want to bother anybody because they said they were like really busy. But yeah, let me just say, if you're looking for a Gucci SLG, the outlets is the place to go. I'm telling you, like, the place to go, because right here, these small leather goods that I'm about to show, they were no more than $280, $290. They weren't over like $400. So if you're looking for a nice Gucci wallet and you don't want to spend a whole lot of money, I'm telling you all, the outlet is the place to go. Now, if you have a Gucci outlet in your area, maybe you can call and get hooked up with an essay and have them send you pictures, because I do remember calling the outlet before, and they were sending me pictures of different items. So you may get lucky and someone answer, but for some reason when I called the Atlanta area, no one answers. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all go ahead and enjoy the rest of this video. But yeah, y'all, I'm just telling you, the outlets is the place to get you some good moving on to the cosmetic company store. Before I was leaving the outlets, of course, I had to pop in just to see what they had new, and they had a lot of new items because I haven't been in a while. And let me just say, Tom Ford was 70% off. I was like, oh my goodness. And as you can see, it's the new Tom Ford lip glosses, like the new packaging. So those $56 lip glosses were ringing up 20 something dollars with tax. Like, yes, y'all, this is why I don't go to Sephora like I used to. I'm telling you, if you have a cosmetic company store in your area, you may want to go check that out. You may want to go check them out. I'm telling you. And they also had Jo Malone perfumes. In the back, they had Tom Ford single eyeshadows on clearance that was ringing up $8. I didn't get them because I don't really like single eyeshadows. But y'all, I'm gonna just tell you, they had a lot of good buys. So I just wanted to share inside of the store. I wasn't supposed to film, but I was just trying to sneak as much as I could. That's why I had to film in this particular angle to make it seem like I was on the phone. So yeah, so I hope y'all enjoy the footage that I was able to get. If it's a little off, like I said, I was filming from my iPhone. So again, I hope y'all enjoy. And with that being said, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads a video. And until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye. Oh, and by the way, I think Jo Malone was 40% off. I'm telling you, you gotta find one of the cosmetic company stores, you all.